Cleaning is a time-consuming daily job, be it the car, backyard, workshop, cattle shed, factory, etc. Stihl high-pressure cleaners ensure thorough cleanliness in domestic or commercial applications. Cleaning has become easy with Stihl high-pressure cleaners. Induction motors from RE98 and above models for low noise and long life. Rotary coupling on high-pressure hose prevents twisting. Easy mobility with integral cart. Automatic shutdown minimizes power consumption and noise and reduces premature wear. Holders for high-pressure hose, spray lands, connecting cord and accessories. RE129 Plus is with hose reel, compartment in housing with holder for fan jet nozzle and rotary nozzle. All the models have external water filter in addition. Infinitely variable pressure or water flow control to suit cleaning task. Pressure is indicated on gauge on professional models. Steel braided high pressure hose. Integrated detergent tank and detergent flow control knob on professional models. Flat jet nozzle with adjustable operating pressure. Stihl high pressure cleaner is a multi-purpose machine. It is most useful to clean solar panel on your rooftop. Pipe cleaning set can remove the blockade in the drainage system inside the building. Surface cleaner is useful for quick and splash-free cleaning of large horizontal and vertical surfaces. Vehicle cleaning has become easy with different attachments. Industrial houses and dairy units use Stihl high-pressure cleaners to get rid of sticky dirts and stains on different equipment and machine components. Thorough cleaning of the cattle shed floor is possible with very less water and effort. Unbelievable garbage on the floor of the piggery can be washed away comfortably. Cleaning of showroom glasses was never so easy. Another important usage of Stihl high pressure cleaners is sandblasting. It takes off the old paint layer for repainting on automobile, machine and unwanted writing on the walls. Sand particles of specified size flow with rushing water and hit the surface, removing the paint without damaging the metal surface. It saves a lot of time and labor and also the cost. This work is still faster with this bigger machine RE272.